Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to add a new manufacturer. Log into the backend. Go to Item then to the manufacturer. Now click on Add. Fill basic information of the manufacturer. Click here to add logo. Click Save and Done. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.